Back here with another video. This is Rod the Drawer. And back here with another video. This is Rod the Drawer. And today we'll be drawing a cartoon character. I posted it on my Instagram for the last 3 hours. A poll either if my followers wanted me to draw a cartoon character or a doodle. The results were they wanted me to draw a cartoon character. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Rod the Drawer right here. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So, further ado, we're gonna get into it. But we don't want to get copyrighted. But 70% says draw a cartoon character. So we're just gonna get right into it. No more talking. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna be painting this on a 24 by 48 canvas, which this is pretty big. It's almost, well, it's half tall as me. If that's, correct. It's almost as tall as me, pretty much. I'm 6 foot. This thing's like 5 something, maybe. No, it's 4. Anyways, we're gonna get to work on this. It's gonna be Tom and Jerry. It's gonna be pretty cool, pretty chill. Watch to the end because I'm sure this is gonna come out well. I'm gonna use Tom and Jerry and Spike and his little, I guess son or whatever. Yeah, his son. I'm gonna use his son and Spike, and we're gonna put all of it together, and it's gonna be fun. So this is how it's gonna look. The house is gonna be over here. All right, so don't mind the background. This is just a reference for like the tree and the grass, whatever, to see where everything is. Alright guys, so one thing that I like to do when I'm sketching out, I like to just play around with my shapes first. And then once I get what I like, I just erase it into the shape that I want. And that's pretty much how I draw freehand most of the time, because I don't draw from squares or the shape. I do like to kind of frame it out a little bit, like the size that I want. Other than that, I just pretty much I sketch out what I want, and what I don't want I just erase. So here's the sketch, and I'm pretty satisfied with it. So now I'm going to outline it in Sharpie, so I know where my lines are, and I won't be creating other lines. So yeah, let's get to it. So now we are done with the outline and pretty satisfied with it. Got all my lines like I want them. So now I'm gonna I'm thinking of doing the background first before I do the characters, because I feel that it's better personally to do the background first before you do the characters, because if you mess up on the background, you can fix it and you won't go into the lines of the characters. So you will already have your lines right. So yeah, let's get into it. guys, we're finally done with this painting, and as you see, it came out well. Like, I love it. Like, this is Tom and Jerry. There's Bart and his son. I'm not sure the name of his son, but yeah, this came out so well in my opinion. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and get this video to at least like 50 likes. That'll be greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one.